Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add Siri shortcuts on the Iberia application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the More button down below in the right side corner of the screen. And here you can see the Siri shortcuts button, so tap on it. Here you can see these three preset options such as My Trips, User Area or Flight Status. So tap on the Add Siri button to set this shortcut. So if you say, hey Siri, show last booking, then Siri will perform this instruction and it will show you your last booking. In order to add it, tap on the Done button and then it will be added automatically. You can repeat this step with the other shortcut options too. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.